Welcome back to the pod. It is Wednesday, and dude, we have a packed show today. I am Taylor, bringing you the latest AI news.
And I am Morgan. I will be the one asking if any of this actually matters or if it is just more hype. Ready to dive in?
So ready. We are talking ChatGPT getting visual, Amazon throwing down in court, Amazon also doing healthcare, and Google expanding Gemini globally.
A very Amazon heavy Wednesday, it seems. Let us get into it before they try to block us too.
Okay, first up from TechCrunch and the Decoder, ChatGPT can now explain math and physics using interactive visualizations, like actual interactive graphs.
Wait, interactive? So not just spitting out a static image of a sine wave or a block of Python code that you have to run yourself?
Exactly. You can actually tweak variables right there in the chat and watch the graphs update in real time. It is so cool, dude.
Okay, I have to admit, that sounds genuinely useful for students. But how many topics are we talking about here? Just basic algebra?
Apparently, there are more than 70 concepts available right at launch. It is totally changing how you study science and math.
I mean, if it actually works without hallucinating the physics, a wrong interactive graph is worse than no graph at all, especially for a student learning it for the first time.
True, but imagine learning orbital mechanics or calculus and just dragging a slider to see what happens. It beats reading a dry textbook any day.
Fair point. Visualizing complex data dynamically is a huge step up from text-based reasoning. Do we know if this is available on the mobile app or just desktop?
From what I saw, it is rolling out across the web interface first. I was playing with a pendulum simulation earlier, and it was just mesmerizing. It feels like a real tutor now.
Let us hope the schools see it as a tutor and not a cheating device. I can already hear the teachers panicking about homework. But yeah, solid feature update from OpenAI.
I am definitely going to use it to brush up on some of my old physics concepts.
Just do not let it build any actual rockets for you in the backyard just yet, okay?
Moving on to some drama, I saw on the Decoder that Amazon just got a court order blocking Perplexity's AI shopping agent.
Oh, wow. I knew Amazon would not just sit back while AI startups scrape their marketplace. What exactly is the injunction doing?
So, Amazon basically stopped Perplexity's shopping bot in its tracks. They are saying, like, you cannot just bypass our site to buy stuff.
Right, because Amazon's entire business model relies on you being on their site, seeing their sponsored ads, and using their checkout flow.
Totally. But dude, imagine how convenient an AI agent would be, just telling Perplexity, buy me the best cheap headphones on Amazon.
Convenient for us, sure, but legally it is a nightmare. This ruling could completely shape the future of AI agents in e-commerce.
You think this means other retailers are going to start suing AI companies too? Like, is the dream of autonomous shopping dead already?
Not dead, but they will have to pay for API access. Amazon is setting a precedent here. You cannot just scrape their data and profit off their inventory without paying the toll.
Man, that is a bummer. I really wanted an AI to just handle all my boring household restocking without me having to open an app and scroll through reviews.
You still can, but you will probably have to use Amazon's own AI for it, which keeps the money in their ecosystem. They want to own the agent, not just be the warehouse for Perplexity.
Yeah, that makes sense. It just sucks for the startups trying to build these universal assistants that do everything for you.
It is the classic walled garden problem. The tech is ready, but the business models are going to war over who gets the transaction fee.
Speaking of Amazon's own AI, they just launched a new healthcare AI assistant on their website and app, according to TechCrunch.
Wait, really? Amazon is pushing deeper into healthcare? What exactly is this AI assistant supposed to do for patients?
It is wild. It can answer health questions, explain your medical records, manage prescription renewals, and even book appointments for you.
Okay, that makes me slightly nervous. Having my shopping habits, my Prime video history, and my medical records in the same corporate database?
I mean, yeah, privacy is a thing, but think about the convenience. Explaining confusing doctor notes in plain English is like so helpful.
It is helpful, but what happens when the AI misunderstands a symptom or hallucinates a medical explanation? The stakes are significantly higher here than recommending a pair of socks.
They probably have massive disclaimers saying it is not a real doctor, but for managing prescriptions and logistics, it sounds like a huge time saver.
I agree on the admin side. Booking appointments and refilling meds is incredibly tedious. If the AI just handles the bureaucracy of healthcare, that is a clear win.
Exactly. Plus, it is integrated right into the app you already use. Remember they bought One Medical a while back? It is all coming together now.
Ah, right. The One Medical acquisition. This is the payoff for that. They are building a fully integrated healthcare ecosystem powered by their own large language models.
Dude, it is so sci-fi. Just asking your phone to refill your asthma inhaler and book a checkup all while you were buying groceries.
True, though I will be reading their privacy policy very, very carefully before I let their AI explain my blood test results. HIPAA compliance is no joke.
Okay, last big story for today. Google is bringing Gemini in Chrome to India. I read the details on TechCrunch, and it is a massive rollout.
Expanding to India makes total sense. The user base there is absolutely massive. Are they adding specific local language support for this, or just English?
Yes, and that is the coolest part. It supports Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Telugu, and Tamil. Like, that is huge.
Oh, interesting. That is actually a significant technical achievement. Training frontier models on that many regional dialects requires an immense amount of localized, high-quality data.
Right? Imagine being able to just chat with your browser in your native language, summarizing pages or writing emails without needing to translate to English first.
It definitely lowers the barrier to entry for millions of people, but I do wonder how accurate the regional translations are compared to their English benchmarks.
Even if it is not perfect yet, getting it directly into Chrome means they are going to get so much feedback to improve it super fast.
Exactly. Google's distribution advantage with Chrome is unparalleled. If Gemini is baked right into the browser's search bar, people will use it simply because it is there.
Dude, the AI race is getting so global now. It is not just Silicon Valley tech bros anymore. It is literally everyone on Earth getting access.
Which is exactly why language support is the next major battleground. The company that wins local languages in emerging markets wins the global AI race.
The article also mentioned they are expanding to Canada and New Zealand too. Google is just flipping the switch everywhere right now.
They have to. With ChatGPT dominating the mindshare, Google needs to leverage their existing products like Chrome to force Gemini into our daily habits.
Seriously, the AI space is just moving so fast right now. Well, that wraps up our deep dive for today. Thanks for tuning in to our Wednesday AI Roundup.
Be sure to check the show notes for links to all these stories. Stay skeptical and always keep an eye on those updated privacy policies.
Always a good reminder. That is it for today. We will be back tomorrow with more AI news.